Hello student, welcome to my class. In the last class we have discussed few questions of word problem of quadratic equation. We have done in that books up to question number 25 and different types of problems are also till left. So now today we will discuss few more questions. First of all, suppose that's question number 29 if you want to go. Read the question once more. A teacher on attempting to arrange the students for mass drill in the form of a solid square form. So what do we mean by the solid square form? Solid square form means what? How many students it will be in each line, and that's many number of lines you will have. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it will also will have that same thing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here also it will have the 6 row. Means row and column to be the same. Each line will have the 6 student and there will have the 6 lines. So this format if you have, then it is called the solid square. Means it will form a square. Means x row, so x column also you will have. So like that way, solid square. Then he found that 24 students were left. How many line has kept or like that one arranged kiya, so 24 students are left. But then when he increased the size, then he found that the 25 students were short. Find the number of students. When arrange this one in solid square form, then he got that the 24 students were left. Baki rahega. And next when he increased by 1, then he got that 25 students short. Find the number of students. So let the first arrangement, that is question number 29, it is having. Let the number of rows or number of students in each line be x. X. So number of students for each line will be x. Therefore, number of students required for solid square equal to x into x, that means x square. X line x student, x into x means x square. But now that time it is, he observed that the 24 students were left. So actually total number of students will be students to be x square plus 24 because 24 extra right. Now if number of students or number of rows be increased by 1, that means x plus 1, then number of students required for solid square to be what? X plus 1 into x plus 1, that is x plus 1 square. But that time he observed that 25 students is becoming short, 25. That means actually total number of students is having there, that much is not adding. इसमें से कितना short पड़ रहे? 25. That means minus 25. That is the number of students. It is also number of students, same number of students. So therefore, according to the question, x plus 1 ka whole square minus 25 is equal to x square plus 24. Or you can say, if we do this calculation, then what you will get? X square plus 2x plus 1 minus 25 is equal to x square plus 24. So the x square will be cancelled. So ultimately 2x minus 24 you have taken that side. So it is coming 48 or x equal to 24. But this is not the number of students. Number of students is your this one or number of students is that one. Anywhere if you put you will get the same answer. Therefore you can get number of students present there is equal to x square plus 24, means 24 square plus 24. 24 square means 576. So 576 plus 24 means it is your 600. तो देखो माइने wants to arrange 24, तो 24, 25, 76 required, then total number of students 600. So how much is left? 24 is left, 600 minus 576. But if it increase the number by 1, so then the number of row becomes 25. You are having 24, so 25. Then the number of students required for the square form, 25 into 25, 625 is required, but we have 600. So sort is what? 25 sort. That means we are correct. Okay. Now this way we can arrange, and next we are having that's question we have to do. That is suppose question number 36. This type of problem, various places you can get also this type of problem. See, that's one. 36, 35, like that's one. So one more question like this in general problem, this type of problem. You are having what? Suppose question number 36 if you want to do. What we have? A man buys a number of pens for rupees 180. He is having 180 rupees. With that rupees he has purchased some number of pens. If he had bought 3 more pens for the same amount, 180, then each pen would have cost him rupees 3 less. Means with 180 rupees, some pen he got. It is asking, but it is given the condition that if he bought 3 more pens, so then the cost of each pen will be rupees 3 less. Then how many pens did he buy? Total amount of rupees he is having 180. You have to find out the how many pens did he buy. So let the number of pens be x. So with 180 rupees कितना है? Total amount of rupees 180 you are having. So number of pens, if you have the x, the cost of each pen become 180 by x, but rupees 180 by x. Total 180 rupees you have, number of pens you have x. But if he bought 3 more pens, so if he bought 3 more pens, that means number of pens becomes that time what? First case you have x pens, so if it is having the 3 more pens, then it will be x plus 3. So if it is x plus 3, then the cost of each pen becomes 180, same amount of rupees, 180 by x plus 3. So there you are having the cost 180 by x plus 3. In the beginning you have the cost 180 by x. But condition is saying that time the cost of each pen becomes 3 rupees less. Because number of pens more, each pen cost will be less. So that's why difference of these two cost is rupees 3. But always remember, larger one you have to write first. If you have the less number of pen, then the cost will be more. So this is the larger amount, larger number, and this is the smaller number. That's 3 rupees is the less cost. So simple way solve this one. So it will come 180 to x plus 3 means 180x plus 540 minus 180x is equal to 3. 180x will be cancelled. चाहे तो आप 3 से भी इसको कैंसिल कर सकते, तो अल्टीमेटली you will get 180 there. If we solve this one, तो 3 into x into x, 3 will not have then, but 3 if you write then later you will do. X into x plus 3 is equal to ultimately you will get 180. Or 3 into x plus 3 equal to 540, cancel this one. So you will get here ultimately x square plus 3x minus 180 equal to 0. Now the simple quadratic equation in quad. You have to solve this equation. Minus 180. So think a number two numbers such that their difference will be 3. You can break prime factorization, otherwise orally you can get. Here see 15 12 ja 180. That means plus 15x minus 12x. If we solve in that place, you will get x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 180 equal to 0. Ultimately, x plus 15 into x minus 12, or x equal to 12, or x equal to minus 15. But x is what? X is the number of pens. So number of pens cannot be negative. That's why you can cancel this one. Therefore, you will get number of pens become 12. So you can say that number of pen is your 12. Okay. Now we have done this type of problems, and one more problem just in simple short form I would like to discuss. That is the age problem. If you have, that is one question only I would like to discuss here. Then you can do, and after that one important part you will have, I will discuss next class, that is the time distance problem. Now today just we complete after this question number 40, that is your sum of the ages, that is age problem. Just take that one, it will be very simple one. Dekho, anyhow you have to arrange the equation. First see that one. Question number 40, you have the sum of the ages of two boys and sum of a boy and his brother. Sum of the ages of a boy and his brother means 2 person is 25 years. And the product of their ages is 126. Find their ages simply. Suppose one age or the age of the boy, let the age of the boy be x by x years. Therefore, age of his brother क्या हो? देखो, sum of the ages is given 25. If one is your x, the other's age will be what? 25 minus x. So one x, others 125 minus x. According to the question, the product of their ages is how much? 126. So ultimately 25x minus x square 126. If you have taken that side, ultimately 25x plus 126 equal to 0. The product is your 126. That what? That is the plus 126. You have to break into two factors such that their sum will be 25. 26, 126, 2 से divide करो तो 63. Again, if you do by the 3, तो देखो 126 product 2 से divide करो 63. If you do by the 3, 21 नहीं हो रहा है. Again by 3, 12. Sorry, 3 7 जा तो 3 3 9 and 14 तो भी नहीं हो रहा है. You have to get by adding these two. देखो इसका हो गया 3 3 9 to 18 and 7. It is coming x square minus 18x minus 7x plus 126 equal to 0. That means you will get 126, that is equal to 0. Means ultimately you will get x minus 18 and x minus 7. So ultimately both is you are getting positive. So if one is 18, other it will be 25 minus 8, 7. But one is 7, then also you will get others 1, 18. So when x equal to 18, but 1 is 18. So other हो जाएगा क्या? 7 or 1 7 is others, so will be 18. Therefore ages of the two brothers are 18 years and 7 years. So in this way, up to question number 42 you are having this type of problem. So I think you will be able to complete this type of question what we have done from 29 to 42, I think. Yes, it is having 29 to 42 of the exercise 4E. So you will complete this one, and after that we will do the distance time problem. That is very important also, speed distance time. Okay, thank you.